Good morning, YouTube. What's going on? This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Let's get started with the charts. I got a little bit of the bubble guts this morning. Yeah, I know that's TMI, but it happens. So let's get this thing crack-a-lacking. I already marked my levels to save time. This is ES over here on this screen. Pull my mic up a little closer. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this ES over here on this screen, and I have NQ over here. I already marked my levels. This is daily high, and I already took the previous daily high. This is the London low and Asian low. It has not taken out those lows, and it only tapped into the new daily opening gap. It tapped into it around 10:30, 11ish right here, and I feel like it's just gonna dump. But I have seen price just keep pushing up even with leaving that gap right there. So yeah, not really expecting too much. So yeah, this is basically what I'm looking at right now, and the previous daily low is down here. So it's three lows: London low, Asian low, and previous daily low, and then it's like the new day opening gap is just like right there in the middle of it. So this is basically what I'm looking at, but it is kind of tough because there was a large expansion overnight that does qualify as one of my low probability days, so I will not be risking a lot this morning. I forgot to have these levels on here, so I'm gonna have to make these levels over here. Trying to see, was there an actual entry? It actually was an entry on the 2-minute for the 850 macro, but I don't really trade the 850 macro, but this would have been the perfect setup right here for that 850 macro right here. Because it took out the high time frame buy side liquidity that I have marked here. It took out a high and it curved down here. So waiting on the macro. I'll wait on the macro. It's 9:30 now, so you're gonna see what I want to do. You see, it just tapped into that right there. If I were to get in aggressively, this would have to be the stop right here. 20 points. I'm not gonna lie, that's looking pretty good right now. But I normally don't trade 9:30 open though. That's the thing. And then it'll be a 15-minute entry as well. It'll be a 15-minute, because that's a 15-minute gap. I don't trade 9:30 open. There is no news today, by the way. There's no news. No news. But the 15-minute, that's not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. But I don't trade 9:30 open though. I mean, ES is pushing down. If I were to get on this though, if I were to get in on this, I would be basically getting in at a buy stop situation. I mean a sell stop situation. Getting in right here, and then my stop loss be 28. So being this low probability day, I'll go over here. 28. I'll risk 168. 3 contracts. So I'll risk 3 contracts, and then I will try to see if it'll take out this Asian low. But no, I'll just do my 100 ticks right there. I would do a sell stop, and then I'll be risking 168 to make 3 contracts to make 600. Yep. I'll be risking 168 to make 600. That's what my risk would be. And then like, cause if it goes past here, this candle, then that's how you know it's wanting to trade higher. So I can put a sell stop right here. I'm gonna try it. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you can catch a nice expansion when at 9:30 open. Sometimes you can, and it is like a little gap up here as well, so it might be trying to tap into this. Shoot, Mike can actually get like a tighter entry with a tighter stop loss to see if it'll tap in here. Then all I gotta do is risk. I can risk really 16, but I ain't gonna lie, I would kind of want it to be at that 22. That would be way less. So if I put a I think it might be trying to tap into it, or it may pose as a breakaway gap. So I'll just say 23. Yeah, I'll be risking 138. I'll be risking even less. I'll be risking only 138 to make 600.
Order filled.
Sheesh. Just go ahead and stop me out, man. Come on now.
Order filled.
Don't even play like that, bro.
Order filled. Order filled.
Right. Oh, don't do me like that. Now ES pushing up, then nope. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, ES pushing. Come on. Come on, tap that London low, bruh. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it.
Order filled.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. London low has been taken. ES pushing down. ES is trucking. ES is dying. Ooh, my stomach growling. I don't know. I may go ahead and take that. I don't want to be greedy. I just want to take what the market give me. But if ES continues to drop, which is what it's doing now, 19 seconds, 18 on this 5-minute candle. This 5-minute candle closes, man, it's gonna close bearish, but if it closes below that CPI data low, 6, 5, 4, looking at this, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh, I think it's blowing up a little bit. Let me see. If ES continuing to drop, then I'm staying in. It's pushing up a little bit. I'll take that.
Order
I ain't
filled.
gonna be greedy. I ain't gonna be greedy, fam. It took out the London low. That's all I can really ask for, but I can't ask for anything more than that. So I got both accounts pretty much the same. This is at 49,515. This is at 49, almost at 5. So glad I was able to get this back in good standing. Well, not yet. 500 away still, but better than where I was. So it's like if I don't get these funded, then I'm gonna mosey on over the. Well, I'm gonna get my funded features anyway, but I ain't gonna lie, Topstep is a real one. I'm cool with Topstep. I'm cool with Topstep, bro. It's just I don't have no problems with Topstep. It's just sometimes, like earlier when I was trying to measure out my the contract sizes, because I don't know how they, how ES does their contracts is worth different than NQ. So I was kind of just testing that out. You know what I'm saying? Took profit early. Took partials. Yes, I took 2 partials. Yes. What's the trade? I want to say proud of myself. This is Friday. I gotta give myself a little bit of credit. You know what I'm saying? I use proper risk management. I only lost what that is, 135 on the first trade. And low probability, I want to say 125 is like the most I risk per trade, but sometimes you can't get like that perfect number. So yeah, my most loss that I wanted to lose today was 250. Low probability conditions. So I don't know. I'm doing pretty good with that. I'm doing pretty good with the low probability. Not risking too much. I don't know. I may keep it at 250. It really depends, because it's like if I can push it up a little bit, I can make a little bit more, but it really depends on what, how price is moving. Let me go ahead and go back so I can show you guys this. It was on the wrong screen, but yeah, for this account, it was, of course it was a horrible week last week. I shared that with you guys. A better week this week. But it's really because it was CPI. You know what I'm saying? It really was because of CPI. So it's like, gotta take that with a grain of salt. I'm still down on this for the week, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. I'm not sure why it's not showing for today. Oh, because I didn't trade on it today. Stupid. Duh. But, yeah, so I got this back up, basically. I just want to show you guys my journal. This is very important that you journal your trades. I do have a video basically kind of explaining. I don't show like how to set it up and everything, but I'm basically showing you guys. I do use Notion. Go to notion.com. They have it where you can set everything up. I'm not gonna go into detail on how to set it up. This is too much. But anyway, so yeah, this is how I basically have everything set up. Then I have my screenshot. I'd have to put this screenshot in here. Second outcome for today. Ended up being like a 1 to 12 after I moved my stop loss when it pushed down in profit. So not a bad trade at all. I'm proud of myself today. I ended the week off with some profit, so I can't really complain about that. So good day. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. I feel like I say way too much, but I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, so I hope you guys had a good trading week. This is basically how my week went. Let me see. I have everything in my. I try to have everything in line with it. And look at it tanking though. I feel like it is gonna continue to drop for the rest of the day, but I just wanted to go ahead and get on up out of there. You know what I'm saying? It ended up breaking this low right here. ES ES is still bearish. It took out the CPI data low. I took out the previous daily low. NAS has not taken out Asian low just yet. ES took out all the lows. Okay, let me bring it down. ES took out London low, Asian low, CPI data low. NAS has yet to take out. It did tap, London low. It has not taken out Asian low. Has not taken out the previous daily low, and this is a daily fair value gap. It hit this middle, and the CPI data low for NAS is down there. So I feel like NAS is gonna continue to drop for the rest of the day, but I could have held it, but I just feel like I just need to be in that volume for that moment, and I just hop out because normally when it rejects like this, it just keep going to the entry. So I just rather not. I just try to be out of the market. If I was on like a forex broker or something like that, I probably would have went ahead and held it. But just I've gotten away from that. I don't trade very well doing that. So this works for me. I'm satisfied with it. So yeah, you guys, it's pretty much it. Good news, I do plan on streaming live next week. I just have to, I got my thumbnail and everything made and created. The only thing I need to do is have the overlay on my stream, and then how to, I watched some few videos last night, and I'm trying to think if, let's see how I learn how to do the countdown and all of that, because I want it to be professional. I don't want to just be have everything kind of halfway stepping and stuff, which I feel like I could do more, even with kind of be more, I don't know how to explain, more entertaining, I guess, for you guys. So thank you so much to you guys who have been subscribing and have been keeping up with me, has been watching my videos faithfully. I can see you guys. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Back test, always study, and that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a very blessed weekend. Peace. God bless you.
Sweat.